Which one would you choose, the R or the SP? $100,000 bike. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Back with another video on the H2. Well, technically 2 H2's and an R1M, and we're all going to a Ducati meet. Should be fun. Sadly, it's a little late, so it's dark. Can't see as well, but still should be a fun ride. Of course, I need fuel. It ain't an H2 ride if I don't need gas. Holy, $5 a gallon for 91. Let's go, boys. Almost $20. All right, for not even 4 gallons. flipped into neutral. Oh, I thought we're all going. MV.
That sound from anywhere. What's up, dude?
How you doing? I lost my two friends at that light.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Right there too.
Yeah. Oh man, long time no see. Good. Dude, I don't know. I thought we're all going.
Come on, man. You just wasted that whole time of you two just came on your own.
No, we rode together. Holy, everyone's inside. Probably because of how cold it is. Oh, a V4R. I need that.
The R, sir.
I need that.
The R. Sold.
What? Wow, already sold?
Decent test ride.
Which one would you choose, the R or the SP?
No, the SP looks better in person.
Yeah? I don't know. I think I'm a little more towards the R. Just because it's more different.
That's what I was looking for.
They put that in a corner? Come on, man. You can't put the Superleggera in a corner.
Man, that is nice.
Bruh, that's insane. The wings on this thing? Is that a cop radar?
Looks like it.
I guess you would need one on this bike. $100,000 bike. 120 actually here. Those wings, they need to make some of those wings for that.
I'm sure somebody will.
Yeah, right? What? There's another R? Hold on, maybe it's not sold then. Oh, ho, ho, ho. This one is $12.99 Superleggera sold. Too many rich people here, man.
I know.
I want this bike though. It'll match the R1M really nicely. Yep. Too many beautiful bikes in here.
Let's have a carbon swing arm.
Everything, I think the whole body's carbon. Yeah, carbon titanium. Carbon titanium and some rubber. That's all it is. I mean, for that price, right?
What is it, like 100 something?
120? The door.
Oh, yeah, you see his paint. What's up, dude? Nice bike.
So, thank you, man.
You got some selective carbon. You should add a little bit more.
I don't know. I replaced almost anything that's plastic into carbon. I'm trying to keep the chrome.
Shit's a beast. I got that one.
Yeah.
Better, it's the best one. Woohoo! That's just fire.
Man, the video. Thank you all so much for watching. Peace out. Ride safe.